Hola, niño.
Hello.
Camera.
Camera on?
Yep.
Nice.
Alex rented this Mercedes. We're gonna try and scare Rowan. Oh shit.
He's scared.
Yeah, we're here. Okay,
I can't be late.
yes, I know, I can get up early.
I missed you so much.
Nice little family reunion.
Yes, sir.
We here, we lit. York Maine vibes.
Get ready. Get him.
If we stop petting her, Owen, she'll go. Ow!
You're such a baby.
What, are you
It was something. But I fucked those on the side.
Yo. What up, bro? Say hi.
Hey guys, summertime. I'll see you guys later.
Bye. Oh, no, you almost had it. Explain.
Perfect triangle base, right? Dumbass, this way, like triangle base, this way, base, square, and then we put plywood over it. Shut the fuck.
Plywood so we can
Who came up with this whole idea?
Shut the fuck
Huh?
Fight.
Dumbass. Fight.
Hey. We lit. Alright, we here. Live and action. Back. Got the Supercross monster bike.
Gonna start first kick.
We lit.
You don't have one?
Owen always gets so scared.
My shoes are tired of it on your ass.
The tree man.
What? How do you
You were in first gear the whole time.
That's
weren't
it.
you?
That's how you flick it up. What are we trying to do here?
He's gonna hit the ball with me and I'm gonna try and ride by and go like that. It's just tough though, because this is the throttle.
You know,
And if
it's
I don't
tough.
have my hand on that, I'll slow down.
Man, that's tough.
Oh shit!
Project failed. Where do you zoom in? It's okay. We'll get it next time. Whoa, dude.
Car. Let's hit the car. Ball.
Caption it.
I'm getting the license plate. I'm stealing your car.
She's the Alex. She's the wild Alex. She's the wild Alex.
Oh, you meant literally.
Hello.
Just want to kiss you.
Loves you, bro.
Yay.
Light on the big grill.
That's fire. You lit.
Oh, that's not even too hot. Oh shit.
Uh-oh.
Why would you try to sell
Burning fire.
Max, this is so dumb. Max, light it on fire. Look at the ground.
Get the broom.
I'm on it. I started using like spray.
I'm salvaging the plumbing, trading it for liquor money. Actually, Ray, ripping out your plumbing for liquor money is fucked.
Okay. Dude, I just smacked my camera. No, the camera's fine, but it bruised my hand.
I won't stop licking.
Say no. Say sorry.
Bro, come on.
Hello. I hope you all are doing amazing. Alex and I are about to go run some errands, try and get some things for maybe a little birthday celebration for Owen or something. Because his birthday is in a few days. Not quite sure what the plan is yet though. I think we might just hang out here and like make some food. This should be a pretty basic day. Somehow this thing's still running after 3,000 miles of road tripping. I am so sore. We were planning on hitting the Planet Fitnesses in Georgia. We ended up having no time for that. So I finally got a workout in yesterday, and oh my goodness, I'm in pain.
It's cute.
For that price, you could get a coconut.
Let's go.
You look dumb as shit.
Never mind. Yeehaw.
That's just my new look.
Can you get that? I think that's good.
I'll put that on in the music video.
Oh god.
Gotta fall now. It's you. The FB2. They're making a second Facebook. Okay.
Is it freaking you out? How'd you do that?
Oh, the videos of Paul and I in the bathroom. What does it say?
You have the right to remain fabulous.
Washed up in the tide. I swam the ocean.
So good. My dad's down the street, so naturally, this is what she does. Calm down, calm down. It's okay. Deep breaths. Deep breath. Oh my god. Sadie, it's okay. I went to GNC today and picked up some new pre-workout. I picked up Woke AF. I swear she's just being dramatic. She's totally fine. It's called Sets on the Beach. Well, the flavor is like Sex on the Beach, like the drink, except Sets because, you know, you're working out. I'm like immune to caffeine at this point. If it doesn't have a warning label on it, then it pretty much won't work. I'm gonna taste test it for your viewing pleasure. Now, I've been feeling a little shitty these past few days. Yeah, I don't have COVID, which is good. My nose is burning from that. It smells really good. Every time my dad goes down the street, she does this. Don't know why. Clearly, she has a favorite though. Hey! Whoa. If you work out and take pre-workout, Woke AF, can't go wrong with the flavors. Sadie, it's fine. Speak! It's okay. He'll be back. Your vocal range is crazy. You want to be on the Falling Out remix? I'll take that as a no. Facts.